how the flowers grow, and what makes a glowworm glow. How high is the sky, how long is forever. You want to know how an acorn small grows to be a tree so tall. How deep is a sigh, how long is forever. All your little funny ways I just can't ignore. All the foolish things you say make me love you more. You ask me if my love is true. Here's the answer I give you. I'll be at your side as long as forever. I just can't ignore. All the foolish things you say make me love you more. You ask me if my love is true. Here's the answer I give you. I'll be at your side as long as forever. Forever.
Hi Ding, remember me? I'm Sir Antonio Caspillan of Salesian Brother Father Tony. Happy birthday, Ding. May God love and bless you always.
Happy birthday, Ding. Greetings from Auckland, the city of sails. Here's to another fantastic year, a fruitful year for you, because I know that Christ is the wind behind your sails and the rudder that charts your course. So stay blessed and have a fantastic year. Happy birthday!
Hi Ding! I hope you still remember me, or at least recognize me. How are you? Just want to say happy birthday, Ding. I didn't know you're already a senior also. May you have more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Ding.
Background tayo.
Okay, anytime.
Hi Ding. Ding, small world ha. Kaibigan mo tong son-in-law. Linaw ko lang, in-law ha, hindi outlaw. Manugang ko yan, si Bobby. Kamusta ang kapatid mo, si Tek-Tek, Lito, and your sister? Extend my regards ha. Tapos pagka may time tayo, makita naman tayo for all time's sake. And say hello also to your mom if she's still around. Huh? What are you doing now? Ha? Balitaan mo ko ha, pagka kunin ko kay Bob ang contact number mo. Sige, happy birthday pala, happy birthday.
Hi, Ding! Happy birthday! Hindi sinabi ni Tek kung ilang taong ka na eh. Pero, ako mga sana around mga 50. Anyway, happy birthday. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Sana, ang wish ko sa'yo, good health of course, and more blessings from the Lord. And sana, may all your prayers be granted. Thank you dahil isang tawag ko lang sa'yo pag may kailangan ako, tinutulungan mo ko. Dahil alam ko, dahil magkaibigan tayo. And I'm so blessed to have you as my friend. So, God bless you, more power, and happy birthday.
Hello, Leopoldo, Faustino. also known as Day. Uy, happy birthday! Naku, sobra ka ha! Grabe! I'm about to receive my star in the Walk of Fame. Naghihintay lang ako kung kailan nag-umpisa. But I would like to say thank you. You are part of this Walk of Fame of mine, this award, this honor. Kasi kung hindi sa'yo, walang gagawa ng -1 ko. Tsaka wala rin siguro gagawa ng mga kung ano-anong arreglo. Kaya, happy birthday ha, Leopoldo. Also known as Ding. Tsaka balita ko, dual citizen ka na daw. Filipino citizen, senior citizen. Ay, laki na ng discount mo ha. Diyan sa Mercury Drugstore, tsaka sa mga restaurant, at tsaka pag sa mga bangko, meron tayong sarili ng pila. Okay? Dami mo ng pribilehyo. Ha? Ang privilege ko na lang para sa'yo ay sana magkaroon ng pagkakataon na huwag na lang kasi tinatakpan mo ng sombrero eh. Okay na sa akin yun. I love you and happy birthday.
It's true. Here's the answer I give you. I'll be at your side as long as forever.